What's up? Today I'm going to see how fast the stock SURRON X can wheelie. I've got a 2019 SURRON X with a cable throttle, stock battery, stock engine, stock controller. The only change I've made to the bike is the Supermoto wheel set. Both are 17 inches. The rear sprocket is 42 teeth, so you end up with the same gear ratio that you would with the stock 19-inch rims and the 48 tooth sprocket.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones.
Alright, so I just pulled up at the spot. It's slightly downhill, which I chose on purpose. It'll help me go a little faster. I am 5'8", 140 pounds. The bike is on 100% battery. So let's see what I can do. I'm gonna give it a couple runs. One more time. See how fast this puppy can go stock. Flipping into sport. Knee knot combo right here. Oh my god, that was so dangerous. Woo! Okay, so my shoe got stuck right here. That was fucking so dangerous. The redemption. That was 40 on the speedo, but this thing isn't very accurate. Let's see if I can get one more combo on my way back. This is gonna be a new one, all right? Oh my god. Woo! That was more than I was planning on. I threw in the leg over bar just for fun. I love that combo. I'm about to do it again in traffic.